Hi everyone, my name is Nirit F, and this is my 15 minutes presentation about an app for construction management. The app that I chose called Fieldwire, and it is a mobile task management platform that designed for general contractors, specialty contractors, architects, and developers. The app is compatible with smartphones as well as Mac and PC. This is the icon. This is how it looks like. The objectives of this app is to view plans of your project, track issues, and schedule tasks in the field or in the office. So, how great it is! Here is 1-minute video just to kind of like demonstrate the app. Enjoy.
Coordinating trades in the field is difficult. Without the proper tools, it can be extremely frustrating and time-consuming. Fieldwire helps construction crews capture, organize, and access information without having to go back to the trailer. Our user-friendly platform operates both on and offline, giving crews access to up-to-date drawings, specs, and files, no matter where they are. We incorporate all the markup tools you should expect from a great plan viewer. You can add takeoffs, as-built markups, and link RFIs directly from your mobile device. Fieldwire goes beyond just drawings. You can communicate with anyone by adding comments, photos, and checklists directly to your tasks. Everything syncs in real time, eliminating miscommunication, double data entry, and outdated file attachments. It's all about getting the job done right the first time, while saving each of your foremen and supers an average of 20 hours per month in the process.
All right. So you start with uploading or downloading the app. Then you upload all your plans. You have to connect it to some kind of a storage. So this app is not for storage, it's just for view plans and photos. But if you need a storage, there is a Dropbox connection, and you can also use Box, which is provided by Fieldwire. Next, you set your categories, which is the concrete, ceiling, earth moving, earthworks, etc. Then you invite all your team members. So you're the admin, but you can also create members and followers which don't really have access to the task and manage plans. They can just basically view it or not view it or view their own. This is how the interface of the app looks like, and let me switch over so I can guide you through the app real fast. Okay, I'll explain about the app that is through the Explorer PC. So on the left side, this is just a sample project that Fieldwire provides to kind of like dig into the details and learn about it. On the left side, you have plans, where you upload all your plans. You have the tasks. You have all your photos, files, people. So this is the contact list, graphs for reports, etc., and settings. So you can set your time zone, logo, your connection to the storage, and so on. Down here, it's the categories. So you have your task and you have all tasks. Let's go for one task, for example. As we learned in this course, tasks are used for anything from inspection, QC work, general team communication. Tasks are basically the core of the project, and this is why I want to focus on it right now. So let's click on one of the tasks. This is how it looks like. The window opens and you have all the details of this task since it was created until today. Pictures that was taken in the field, priority status, so it could be dropped down to a lower priority or higher priority, or checked as completed or verified, could be even deleted. The categories, the person who made it, or whoever you invite to basically see the task. Some people are not even connected to this task, right? Down here is where the task is basically connected to the plan. So let's say your task is a punch list. You can connect it to the as-built, and you can, with the menu on the left, make changes. So let's say I don't know, you want to draw, or you want to create a like revision cloud or whatever. You can mark everything on this plan. It is connected to the task. Now, other very nice feature is that you can take a photo while you're in the field, and you have a question, or you want to know something about that you don't understand. You can either upload a photo that you maybe have from the past, or you want to compare with something that looks different in the past and now it looks, I don't know, better or worse. Or you can take a picture right then on the spot, and you can send it to whoever you need to send it. So what's really nice about this app is that you can connect in real time. So sometimes, how you need to come to the field for a meeting, it takes it's not just time consuming, it's also gas, it's that you have to use for your car, it's also you have to make room for it in your schedule. So by the time you can do other stuff, or like better stuff or more important stuff, you have to go down to the field because there is an urgent matter. This option lets you just take a picture, or the subcontractor just take a picture and ask a question through a message, and you can even maybe answer it while you're on another conference or meeting or something. All right, let's go back to tasks. Here on the right hand side you have the task schedule. So if you click here, the calendar open, and it shows you the task from start to end, which is pretty nice because when you do all tasks together, you can see what tasks are either overlapping each other, or when they start or when they do. So this feature is really nice. Another thing that I think is very important and very useful in this app is the ability to generate reports. So you know how you go on to the field and you do inspections, and you have to provide a report every day or every week, it depends. And some people are not directly connected to the project, such as clients or designers. These reports help keep them updated and notified. So I was not able to go to the report because it was only for the premium version. But I will briefly explain that this report basically has all the details from plans, remarks, photos, messages, everything that you put on the task from your last update. So let's say you updated on Monday, and you through Monday through next week you made all these changes. The report will take all these changes and put them on one file, which I think is like really good and really super to kind of like monitor and follow what you're doing. It saves a lot of time because this app lets you do stuff as you go, so like on the go. Let me go through, switch over the presentation and go through the advantages and disadvantages of the app. Okay, so I was going through that, and this is the plan, pictures. All right. The very the very top one was that it's very user friendly. Other than being user friendly, it has all these videos that explain you exactly how to approach the app and how to solve problems that you seem to get stuck or not to know how to do, all the need and greed stuff that are like kind of sophisticated, in which they condense everything into one app. I think it's great, but I think it also takes a learning curve. The learning curve shouldn't be so bad, but there's still a learning curve to it for sure. You can work offline. You don't need internet to make changes in your plan. You don't need internet to update your schedule or generate report. The communication between subcontractors it's basically increasing. I mean, I think the quality of communication between subcontractors is very important, and this app allows you to kind of like be in a direct communication with them. I remember some projects that I didn't even know some of the foremen's names, and I had to keep sending emails to ask their contact info. This lets you put everything together, and I think it's great. Also, it helps with keeping project on schedule, which we talked a lot about this on this course, and we all know time is money. The disadvantages are internet connection when you need to send files. So when you need to, like, I don't know, take a picture in a remote area that doesn't have internet connection, and you really need an answer for something, that's a problem because that app relies on internet connection. I was surprised to see that there was only one storage option connection, which is Dropbox.